Hi there, this is Diamond with WTI, and today I'm going to show you my absolutely favorite essential oil bottles. Now, what I love most about these is these bottles are a lot bigger than your normal essential oil roller bottle that you would use. What I do like most about this is that the application is really big, of course, because they are a lot bigger. What I like most about this is I use it for my sleepy time oil, or where I live, allergies are a really big issue, so I absolutely love to make my allergy roller bottle in this because I use it all the time and it's a lot less likely for me to run out really fast, so I really like that. I feel like it's a really good quality and they're really easy to fill because the hole is so big, so it's really hard for you to drop or spill the essential oil, and it's really easy to use. All you have to do is snap the top in place, and I feel like it's really easy to take off as well. So if you're looking for a big essential oil bottle, I do recommend this one, but that is just my point of view.